Welcome cloud lovers. I hope you all are fine. So today we will be going to create an elastic load balancer. We will be completing this video in two parts. In first part we will create application load balancer, and to create it we will be going to create target group, EC2 instances, and then we will install the web servers on those EC2 instances, and at the end I will be helping you in setup sticky sessions. And in the second part we will create a network load balancers, then target group and install the web servers. So let's quickly complete our first part, that will be to creating an application load balancer. So before we create, let's understand how a load balancer work. So load balancer simply distribute all the incoming traffic towards the target group, and that target group will forward that traffic to the EC2 instances or the virtual machines. So in order to create a load balancer, first of all we have to create the virtual machines, that is EC2 instances. Second, we have to create a target group so that the traffic can be targeted to the specific machines. And then we will create the load balancer. So let's start. So first we will go to aws.amazon.com, click on sign into the console. If you do not have account, please go to aws.amazon.com/free to create your free 1-year eligible account. So we will go to EC2 service, and here is the EC2 dashboard. Here you can see on the left hand side load balancers, target groups. So first of all I will create the instances. So click on instances and launch the instances. So I am going to launch two instances. Give it a name, for example demo. Then I will go with Ubuntu operating system, and then I will go with T2 micro free tier eligible instance type. Here I will go with key pair Ubuntu key pair. I already created it, so if you do not have it, click on create new key pair and create it. Then in network settings, click on edit. I will go with default VPC first of all. Then here in security group rule 1, I will go with all traffic. That is it. Summary, I need two instances, so that is it. Click on launch instance. So it will launch two instances for me. It will take around 1 or 2 minutes. So we have created two instances. Let's name it demo Apache. I'm giving it server name so that it will be easy to differentiate. Apache 2, because I will install Apache 2 server in this, and in this machine I will give it a name Nginx, because I am going to install Nginx web server in it. That is it, Apache 2 and Nginx. Meanwhile, let's simply go to target group and create a target group now. Click on create target group. I will choose target type as instances. Target group name, that can be TG-1, that is target group 1. VPC default. HTTP1 will work here. Health check path be okay. Click on next. Choose the instances whatever you need in this target group. Include as pending below. Once it is included, click on create target group. So we have created the instances, we have created the target group. Now we will create the load balancer. Let's quickly jump to load balancers. Click on create load balancer. There are three types of load balancers mentioned here: application load balancers, network load balancers, and gateway load balancers. Previously there was another that is called as classic load balancer, but now it's not working. Let's click in application load balancer. Okay, give it a name demo -ALB-1. Internet facing IPv4. VPC will be default VPC. mapping. So we will be choosing all the availability zones available under this region. Done. Security group. Here we can see default security group attached with it. We will be going to attach the same security group which is linked with our EC2 instances. Let's quickly go to the EC2 instance dashboard. Running. Open any one because both has been created at the same time. Click on security and launch wizard 4. So go to load balancers again, security group, click on launch wizard 4. That's it. HTTP listener, HTTP port 80 and target group. The target group which we have created is TG-1. Okay, great. Everything is okay. Then click on create load balancer. So here is our demo ALB-1, that is application load balancer name, which we have created, and it is in provisioning state. It will take around 2 minutes. Let's wait. Meanwhile, let's see what is the progress. So we have created 2 instances. We have created a target group and attached these instances to the target group. We have created the application load balancers. Now we have to connect to both of these EC2 machines, and then we will install Apache 2 and Nginx servers on those machines. Let's do it. Let's go to instances, open these machines one by one. So you can simply click here and click on connect. So we are opening Apache 2. Click on connect. So here we are. Let's run our first command, that will be to update the machine. Sudo apt-get space update. Sorry, sudo apt-get space update. It's done. So this is our Apache machine. So let me simply install Apache. So in order to install Apache web server, the command is sudo apt-get install Apache 2. Done. Let me check if it's working. Go to our instance, copy the public IP address, paste it, and here we can see Apache 2 default pages here. That means Apache 2 web server is installed successfully on our first machine. Let's open our second machine. So the second machine is Nginx one. Click on connect. Here we are in our Nginx machine. Let's update the machine first. Sudo apt-get update. Done. Let's install Nginx web server on it. It will be sudo apt-get install Nginx. Meanwhile, let me copy this public IP address and let me run this IP address. Nginx. Done. Yes, done. So we are able to install. Let me exit the machine, and so we are able to install Apache 2 and Nginx on our 2 different machines. So now check what we have done so far. We have created EC2 instances, we have created target group, we have created the application load balancers, we have installed the web servers on the EC2 instances, and now let's see how our load balancer is performing. Let's go to the load balancer. Click on the load balancer. copy this DNS name and simply paste it here. So here it shows welcome to Nginx. That means the traffic has been sent to our EC2 machine with Nginx web server. Now if I will refresh it, now it is showing me Apache 2. That means it has sent this traffic to the second instance. Let me again refresh it. Now it is showing me Nginx. Let me again refresh it. Now it is showing me Apache. That means it is showing me this traffic, or it is sending this traffic in a round robin manner. See, so that is it. That's what we want to achieve. And the last one is sticky session. So let me show you how practically it works, how it holds the complete session. So we will simply go to our EC2 again, and we will go to our target groups. Our target group is TG1. We'll go to TG1. So in attributes, we can see stickiness. We'll simply click on edit, and then we can simply go to stickiness, and so I'm going with load balancer generated cookies and its stickiness duration. I can choose the stickiness duration. So if I will choose 1 minute, that means this load balancer will forward the traffic to the specific target EC2 machine for at least a minute. Okay, and simply click on save changes. Let me show you what I'm trying to let me show you practically. So now I am refreshing it, and it showed me welcome to Nginx. Let me refresh it again. Now it is showing me Apache 2 default page. Now let me again refresh it. See, nothing is working. So let me here we can see that stickiness duration is 1 minute. So let me go to the DNS name again and refresh it. Now I refreshed it, but it stick to the same Apache 2, and I'm refreshing it again, and again I'm refreshing it, but it is not letting that load balancer to change the target group or the target. So let me refresh it. Okay, now I am refreshing it again and again, but nothing. So now I am refreshing, but it is not changing to Nginx. That means target group is sticked to that specific EC2 machine for at least a minute. After a minute, as soon as we will refresh it, it will move to a different EC2 machine that has the Nginx web server on it, and then it will again stick to that specific machine for 1 minute. So that is how our sticky session works, and that is it for today, guys. In our next video, we will cover part 2, wherein we will be going to create load balancers and target group and install the web servers. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.